everyone. Please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Ruby. I hope you all are doing well. As we all know, Brew Estate is the first and the biggest microbrewery in Chandigarh, further expanded to 6 major cities with 7 different outlets, all of this in a short span of 3 years. Today we all are gathered here for the launch of a new food menu, which is based upon the theme of global comfort. The sole purpose being to regenerate the mind and soul of our consumers. The cuisine is prepared with a traditional touch while giving it a contemporary twist using fresh and organic ingredients. The dishes are prepared with aromatic ground spices, comfort in all sexes, and we are sure that it would be loved all over. Talking about the people behind Brew Estate, we have our food programmer, Chef Somveer, Chef Harish, Naveen, our company lead, and Abhimanyu, Senior GM Operations. Saying that, let's begin with further interaction.
I'm Naveen and I'm heading the marketing of the Brew Estate. And now everyone knows about the Brew Estate. We have 7 outlets right now. One of the India's largest brew pub chain currently. We are heading in the craft beer industries, in the productions, and now we are coming with an amazing, mesmerizing food that's based on the global comfort food. The theme is the contemporary food. The person behind the food is Chef Somveer and Chef Harish. So Chef Somveer will guide you about the food, what is this all about, what is the theme, and it's all about the desi food, some desi tadka, but we are presenting in the something very amazing way. So Somveer, you can guide better about the food and all.
Hi, it's me, Chef Somveer here. I'm the food programmer for the Brew Estate company. The concept behind this, the new menu was the global comfort food. So we have brought back our old memories from our childhood. Whatever we have eaten on streets, like paneer lababdar, we have formed into a form of a tacos. Jaipuri ghevar, we have done a modern plating of a ghevar. There are lots of elements which was easily available on streets, but no restaurants wants to do it now. So we have got those dishes and serving into our restaurant into a new modern and progressive. The special tacos are made with corn tortillas. We are making it with goiza skin, which is more crispier, and stuffing with the Indian topping into it. We have got some local dishes from South too, like your chicken sukha, paneer ghee roast, these kind of dishes. When we talk about the main course, we have limited ourselves to the speciality, which is the Amritsari chole here, to the dal makhani, to the old Delhi style butter chicken, to the keema pav, all those things. And when we talk about the desserts, we have kept in mind that everyone wants to try a sundae. So we have formed a modern version of sundae with 3 different flavors of ice cream, a candy floss coming onto the top of the glasses with a flaming thing on top. We have got ghevar, we have got a textures of chocolate where 4 varieties of textures into the dessert of chocolates. So these are some of the things.
So my name is Abhimanyu. I handle the entire operations for Brew Estate. Our owner, Mr. Arun Singla, has a vision, and the core team sitting here wants to execute that vision to our guests, to our customers who walk into our restaurant on daily basis. The reason that we changed our menu, क्योंकि हमारे खाने में बहुत ऐसी चीज़ें थी जो हम बचपन से रिलेट करते हैं. जैसे शेफ ने बोला कि everyone who grew up in Punjab had this affiliation towards छोले भटूरे or butter chicken, and most of the restaurants in the vicinity were not serving that kind of food. Either they were into fine dine or either they are into club. So we got together and we got the best of both the worlds into Brew Estate. We got amazing craft beers on tap. Now we have Chef Somveer who brought in amazing food to our guest palate. So that is what we are trying to achieve here, and that is what I think we're going to open a few more restaurants with the same concept.
I'm Chef Harish. I'm heading all the kitchens of Brew Estate now. शेफ ने जैसे इन्होंने बताया कि फूड कंफर्ट लेवल पे आया हमारा. इससे पहले जहाँ भी आपने खाना खाया होगा वही सब चीज़ें ऐसे हमारे पास भी रहती है, उन सब भी मिलती है. लेकिन हमारे फूड की जो डिफरेंट हम करते हैं दूसरों के हिसाब से कि आपको खाते हुए दूसरी जगह का टच मिलेगा, फ्यूज़न मिलेगा, कुछ ऐसी तरह के जो आपको मिलने को नहीं मिलते. जैसे शेफ ने बताया कि हमस हमने ग्रीन पीस की बनाई है, उसके साथ में हम खाकरा दे रहे हैं गुजराती के साथ. तो जो अभी आपको वो पीता ब्रेड्स मिलती थी, अभी जोर मिलता है, तो आपको फ्यूज़न मिलेगा ऐसा जो आपको कहीं और नहीं मिलेगा. और फूड हमेशा हाइजीन के हिसाब से, हमारा स्टैंडर्ड के हिसाब से हमेशा ऊपर रहता है.
Basically, what is the craft beer market in the Bangalore? Basically, the capital you can say of the craft beer.
In
so
India.
they have hundreds of breweries there. So they are following the same things. You know what people love on the craft beer, the chakna platter. But in the in the last menu, we have just 3 parts in the chakna, like peanuts and the bhujia and all.
बेस्ट बियर्स इन टाउन. अब दूसरी चीज, अब आपको रिपीटेडली आप अगर मेरी जगह पे आना है तो दैट्स द मोर कोर टेस्ट इज द फूड. मैं अगर खाना मेरा अच्छा नहीं है, मेरी बियर चाहे कितनी भी अच्छी हो, क्योंकि बियर शायद से और 50 लोग हैं अवेलेबल यहाँ पे. सेक्टर 26 की अगर आप मार्केट देखते हो, यू हैव मॉलिक्यूल, यू हैव सोशल, विच इज मोर अबाउट ए क्लबिंग कल्चर, जहाँ पे लोग खाने के बारे में बात नहीं करते. दैट्स द रीजन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट फूड, बिकॉज वी वांट आवर गेस्ट and our space to be known for food. We have made enough
and
market.
beers too, sir. You know, we want to have this unique experience कि यहाँ पे लोगों को best of both world मिले. Beer
आने वाले 10-15 दिन में लाइव हो जाएगा. हम लोग उसका कम्प्लीटली एक अलग मेन्यू बनाया है जो हमारे किचन से निकलेगा, जो आपके रेस्टोरेंट्स में मिल रहा है. उसके अलावा भी हमने एक अलग, क्योंकि डिलीवरी, व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट डिलीवरी, जो भी आप जोमेटो स्विगी पे सबसे ज़्यादा जो सर्च करते हो, इट्स मोर अबाउट बिरयानीज, इट्स मोर अबाउट रोल्स, इट्स मोर अबाउट एशियन थिंग. तो हमने उसका एक अलग सेक्शन बनाया है और विच विल गो लाइव इन नेक्स्ट 10 days.
So Shimla, Ludhiana, Patiala and Panchkula and of course
Elante
Chandigarh.
Mall and Sangrur. Basically, we are at the 7 places currently. So no one in a brewery in the India has a 7 outlets, 7 brew pubs. In the upcoming year, we are planning to open the 10 more outlets. So we are planning to open in Delhi, Pune, Indore. One of the places where the craft beer culture are raising. Basically, so India is grooming in the craft beer culture. From the last 4 years, there is a like you can say the 12% growth. First brew pub of Himachal Pradesh. लुधियाना सराबा रोड पे है, मल्हार रोड पे, सराबा नगर. Yes, one. शिमला
Which place,
behind
sir?
the Christ Church.
Mall Road पे.
पंचकुला सेक्टर 900. Yes, one. चंडीगढ़ सेक्टर
चर्च भी वाइन पिलाते हैं सर आजकल,
एलांटे मॉल.
तो हम बियर पिला रहे हैं.
Yes, and पटियाला one. पटियाला में कहाँ पे? पटियाला
पंजाबी बाग.
फवारा
पंजाबी
चौक.
बाग. सर पंजाबी बाग में. पंजाबी बाग में. हाँ जी. रिसेंटली गवर्नमेंट ने एक माइक्रो ब्रूरी का लाइसेंस ओपन किया है. सो दिस ओनली वन माइक्रो ब्रूरी इन दिल्ली. हाँ, सिर्फ अभी एक ही है, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ बियर, जो सीपी में. इसके अलावा हरियाणा सरकार ने काफ़ी पहले अलाउ कर दिया था. तो लोग गुड़गांव में काफ़ी माइक्रो ब्रूरीज खुली हुई है. साइबर हब हो गया सर, सेक्टर 29 हो गया, वहाँ पे काफ़ी माइक्रो ब्रूरीज है. दिल्ली के अंदर इसी साल सरकार ने लाइसेंस परमिट अलाउ किए हैं, तो अभी वहाँ पे सिर्फ एक ही हैं. तो एक दिल्ली इज़ अ वेरी एक्सपेंसिव मार्केट इन टर्म्स ऑफ रियल एस्टेट टू.
In India, so Nagpur, Jaipur, Indore, Ghaziabad, and you can say Pune and the lower side of the Pune, basically, lower side of the Bombay. Yeah. So
अभी है नहीं सर, खोलने का
planning
प्लान
to
है.
open in the Bombay. So basically, all the states are changing on policies day by day. Recently, the Rajasthan government people came Chandigarh and they are researching about the breweries and all, how these markets are growing, and even they are planning to change on policies about the brewery and all. So this is the main fundamental. So we are planning to open in those cities also. Those are growing day by day.